Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your Outlook storage. Now remember that checking your Outlook storage is important because it helps you to find out a whole lot of factors which I'll be sharing in the course of this video. Now to get to that point, the first thing you want to do is ensure that you head over to your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser of your choice and just simply type in Microsoft Outlook and it will take you to this page where you can either create your new Microsoft Outlook account or just get to sign in. All right, here you can see you have the sign in option or the create free account. Remember that you ensure that you have all the information you need ready for you to get settled and set up for business. Now next, to quickly show you how to create an account, when you properly logged in, it will take you to this page, which is like the home page of your Microsoft Outlook. Now checking to know your storage is very important because storage plays a big role in how well your email works. All right, it helps to prevent email delivery issues, it helps to keep your Outlook running smoothly, it protects important documents, and a whole lot of other things that it does. Now to show you how to check your Outlook storage, we want to head over first to the setting icon, which is at the top right corner over here. We'll click on that and then head over to this point. Now this is where you can check your Outlook storage. Now first, head over to accounts, which is where all most of the settings works. Click on that, and then next you want to head over to look for storage. As you can see listed over here, click on storage, and the next thing is that it will open you up to what your storage looks like. So this is what your storage looks like. It shows you the amount of storage you've used, the total amount of storage that is available, which is this over here. All right, it now shows you a breakdown of how you've used your storage, the deleted items you have, your inbox, your sent item drafts. So this is how you can check your Outlook storage on Microsoft Outlook. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've been able to learn how to check your storage space on Microsoft Outlook. Until next time, thank you and bye for now.